Okay, beautiful people, we are live. Yeah, let me just check things up. So I will explain you things. Okay, as you guys can see, we have a new account. Below you can see the balance. So we are on the phase one of the funded account. So why I am going with the funded account right now? So we had a balance left around of $700 the last. So after that, what I was talking with Kashif. If you don't know him, he is the owner of Funding Frontier. That's the account I'm using. This is the website. This is the website over here. You can see that. If you go to dashboard, it let us jump to the dashboard at the moment. Give us a second, okay? I don't know. I think I have too many things at once, so that's why internet is a little bit slow. I don't know what's happening. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to have a new portal, so I need to log in. Okay, you can see here, this is our account. We got it today. We are on the phase one. It's active right now. Okay, if I go to matrix, you can see nothing have traded right now. Yesterday we got the account. So sorry that I was not live yesterday because I had a pretty bad headache. So yeah, I was not trading. But yeah, okay. So I think I got this account for like 400 and something dollars. There was a discount running, so I get that too. Besides that, we still have around. Let me just move this little bit below. So above, you can see we still have around $288 in our Dominion market broker. So it's not like we have lost the account. We do have the money, but after talking with the Kashif, he told me, he advised me that, funded accounts are really good things. It's not like I was against it, but as I have passed it once, both phase one and phase two, I think I can do it again. So with that spirit, I think I'm gonna go with the funded account. It took me a while to take this decision, but yeah, finally we are here. So yeah, we're gonna trade with a funded account. Nothing have changed. Same things. We're gonna do the analysis like every day. So looking at the daily time frame, let's go to monthly and weekly here to check out things. So I think weekly have broken the highs and continue going up. So this is the weekly rejection point. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. Daily time frame. If you look at the daily time frame, this is it's breaking the high right now. So I'm gonna mark this area out as it's breaking the high. I'm gonna mark that high as well of the previous candle. Going on a 4 hour time frame. Now, what I would like to see is that we have here a rejection, price is breaking above at this area. 4 hour is breaking above. This is a new 4 hour candle. So the thing is, like, we have really small wick at the bottom, really small wick. So taking a trade at this point, buys will be really good, but taking a trade at this point, price can reverse at any, areas here to just, grab some liquidity over here before going up. So what I will be looking for. Okay. So this was the range when the price break out. Okay. Okay. This is the 1 hour candle. So we have a break above this area. Okay. This candle is closing above and new candle is just starting. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, here. Price have not broken the low. Price is still good. So what I'm expecting at this moment is if we see a little bit of a retracement in the zone and rejection in these areas before going up. Because if I take the buy here, I will put my stop loss here. So that would be like, let's say, what's the lot size here? 0.10, right? So we're going to change that as we are on the funded account. I'm going to start with 1.25 because that's the lot size I have calculated for open for trading. What do you mean? For some reason, it cannot, I think, put that. Okay, I can put one standard lot size, I guess. Yeah, I can. But if I go above that, what's the problem? Yeah, I think then I cannot take a buys. Interesting. What's the problem? I'm confused. But yeah, we're gonna take a look at that later. So let's say if we take a buys right here, let's say I put stop loss below, that will be like $100 of loss, 0.10%. And if I target these highs, that's still like 1% or so. But this is a really you know interesting stop loss, which I don't think so that price can easily hit, and we cannot take this chance. So what we're going to do is wait like 15 to 20 minutes, see how price is reacting at this areas before taking any trades. Okay. Our past rates have not been that good. So last three or two trades we have taken were in loss, like were in really big loss. Okay. But at the same time, I think I did understand why did I took those losses. Okay. Because whenever I do trade is like even on gold. Okay. If you go to past live stream, I told you guys that, this weekly candle, when was it was here, I told you it can easily flip and break the highs. Okay. That's what we are looking for. So that's why we were taking buys. But at the same time, our buys was right, but the timing was not right because gold had a really good amount of volume every time in New York session, and we were trading in the London session. So I think today we are in London session as well. But that I did understand that, whenever I do take the trade now, is if it goes in like 10 pips profit, I'll close partial at least and secure some amount of profit at this time. And if I get a chance to continue in New York session, I'll take trade in New York session with that small amount of profit and see how it goes. Okay. Today I cannot trade New York session, and anyway it's a Friday, guys. So not gonna take the bigger risk here. Okay, I'm gonna be really smart about it because last time when I traded the funded accounts, let's see, let me see if I can open up that. Okay, yeah, here we have. Okay, here we can see only this accounts. Okay, let me open up here. So I guess I cannot see my past accounts. Well, I do have it here, but there are too many hidden accounts, which I would like not to show right now. Okay, price is breaking below. here. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, we had a support at this areas and price is breaking below. We have 6 minutes left before this candle do close. So we're gonna wait. See, as I said, I'm looking for a retracement. Okay, what kind of a retracement? At least in this areas. So that's like how many pips? 340, 34 pips or so. So let's see if I can close below the range here before taking any other trades. Give me a minute, okay, people. So I don't know if you guys have seen this or not. This is the, I did this. You cannot see because of the light. You can see this is my last funding record when I passed the phase one and phase two when I got funded with them. So this is the certificate thing, which I, you know, actually not me, but yeah. So I did my best to pass those accounts. And that was the first time after a lot of what you call recent things. Oh yeah, after filling a lot of accounts, that was the first time I did the pass phase one and phase two. So I think it does interest me that we still have 3 minutes left before the candle close. Let's see. Oh, we have not done the analysis for GU and other trades because I forgot. Interesting. Like I was so interested with gold, but I forgot these pairs. So this is good. Look at this. This is really good structure. So where we have it, where had we have it, where we had price going up at this till here. Okay, this was the high it created, and respecting this low. Remember, it have not broken the high of the previous main high. I mean, but what do we have? Then price did came down till here. Okay, made a low, same respecting the low. Then what we have? Price coming back up, now coming back down from that area. Price is coming back down. Okay, so now it's breaking the low of this area too. What does this give me? A better confirmation that price can continue going down on long-term time frame. So in order to do that, price may consolidate a little bit in these areas, which we are looking at the 4 hour time frame. That price is consolidating, going on a small time frame like 1 hour or so. I'm gonna move this thing here to here as okay. Okay, taking a sell here at this area would be amazing, but I think I'm gonna wait on this one too. GJ, what do we have? Ooh, look at this. Look at this. I went like consolidation, breaking below. Flipping back up. No, I'm not gonna touch this pair. This 1 minute 20-second left for 15-minute candle to close. As we have 30-minute approaching, 30-minute candle also have 1 minute left. Okay, this is going to be an interesting thing. So if we close below these areas, okay, how much pips did the price move? And how much can it, like, let's say from here to the highs, it have moved around 0.49%. From here to here, that's, we need price movement around here. Okay, so yeah, 0.24%. If we get a price touching these areas, we can here take buys and we'll write it down to the highs. Okay, what do I mean by highs? If you go to 4 hour time frame, highs I meant by this highs. Okay, you can let the price run around this high, this or this one. Yeah, I think we will get a weak rejection here or here, somewhere around those. But the other thing is here on a 4 hour, if you look at the 4 hour candles, price had a really big and bullish candles, and we are seeing some exhaustion. So will price push today? Question is that. Look at that, price is approaching nicely those areas, rejecting as well. Price to, let's see, last daily candle moved how much pips? That move around 3,600 or something. Before that, we had 1,000 pip movement. 2,700, 2,500, 3,400. So average is like that much it can move. It have already moved 1,500. So okay, people, we already did the test and thin zone, looking at a 1 hour time frame, looking good. So if this 1 hour candle flip bullish, we'll be able to take buys and put stop loss below the current candle. That will be 200 and something something. So we are targeting those highs. That's it. Yeah. So that's our entry point. What do you have? 50 minutes, 10 minutes left for this 50-minute candle to close. Hey people, I think 30-minute candle will flip bullish here. Looking at the 5-minute time frame, looking nice. If you see candles flipping bullish, I'm gonna enter here. This will be my entry point. Put stop loss exactly below these areas. Okay, so here I think you can see the account now. I think, yeah, this was the phase one. I tried to log in the accounts here. Okay. If you go to the history, I don't know if I can see the all time last 12 months. Yeah. So you see, we started here with really small profits, one lot size 85, 85, and we had some really huge loss, some wins. You can see the growth of the account, which is really steady. And yeah, and I think we had some, you can see the losses now. So this was a really bad trade I took. Okay. Almost wipe out my all the profit. Then again, some really big trades with a really big lot size, which was not good. But yeah, then we finally hit the take profit. So you can see my lot size and everything is like steady, not increasing every time. Like you can see 2.25 here when I did increase it, my losses were like 500 or 300 or something. But besides that, I mean, looking at this history, it gives me more of confidence that I can, pass the phase one again. Because if I did it once, I think I can do it again. And this was the phase two. This phase two was like, oh my God, good, like trust me, I did a really bad thing here. So I made some profit, okay, lost some of it, then made really good amount of profit here. Lost again, $2,500. That's 2.5% on the account. Then again made a good amount of profit. Then here I was really consistent with this. So 600, 600, 500 or something. So getting in and getting out with a really small profit. That was here I was doing. But and this is the point where I started to get doing over trading, you can say. Okay. So 500, 500, 500. So here after this, I should have stopped trading. But what I did, I did continue with the trading. You can see it never came back. All the losses were increasing, not decreasing. But finally, on the other day, after taking four trades, I did stop because I understand that I needed some space. So I stopped at the time. I understand that past trades were why we have losses and all. Then I waited for what we call NFP. I think that was a Friday or something. And I was like, okay, we are already down 93. Let's see what we can do. So this was a pure gamble that if I can pass or not. But so that's why I passed phase two, you can say. Okay. On phase one, I was really consistent. Phase two, I did a really bad thing. But besides that, if I go to the live account, now this is something interesting, you can say, because when we started, I know that like, okay, we need to make sure that we make some profit and done for it. Okay. So for some reason, I was taking really small profit, but my stop loss were like 500 to 800, never get shorter. Okay. See again, 200, 500, 19.3, $100 loss, small profits. Now again, 100, $700, $400 loss, and 200, 100, 200. Okay. Now this was a little bit consistent, but then I took the losses again, like something 1,000, 200, 200, 900, and yeah, I was up. I was like, at this point, I was like, okay, what is the thing that I'm doing wrong? And I was like, okay, let's see what we can do. So, I don't know what was the day, what was about it, but yeah, then I started taking some really good trades again. And yeah, I was about back to 98,000 from 92. Then again, made some really good amount of profit. So Here's the thing, guys. My profits and losses are like 2000 or something, but at the same time, my profits are the same. Okay. So that's like one to one reward. You can see the same thing. We were here at break even at in profit $1,000. And I was like, okay, let's trade a little bit more. At this point, at this number, I should have stopped trading because I was around like $2,700 and I should have taken withdrawal this amount. But now this was the over trading thing. Okay, on 27 I did stop trading, but then what I did that another day I came back. I was like, okay, let's take one trade and see what we can get. Okay, another trade. Let's see what we can get. I don't know why did I hold this trade this long, but yeah, that was 4,000. Let's see what's the mistake over here. This was that from here to here we hold the trade like for no reason. I was taking a trade here and I hold the trade here. Wow, I'm so dumb. But anyway, let's get back to the current account and see what we can do with that. Okay, let's see. At the moment, we are not in any trades. So this challenge right now is only one thing as with okay. So remember what I told you that I'm not gonna let me just hide this account again. Okay. So these two accounts are right now in current trading. So this with the $300, our target is I'm gonna take a really risky setup on this $300 and see what we can do. Okay, but the target is we need to make around $490 on profit and see if we can buy another 100 account with this money. Okay, so that's the target with our this account and with this funded account. Our target is to show consistently making at least you know 200 or 300 or maximum you can say 500 or so. Not much. Like we need to target less in the start because once I build some profit like 2000 or 2500 above, then I can increase my lot size and take good or risky setups, you can say, on this account. Okay, so 30-minute candle again. What we are looking for is the flip of this 1 hour candle, which will close in 11 minutes. Not good. So let's see if we can form a support in this area before continuing up. So if we form a support, let's say if this candle reject this areas, okay, and we see the next candle is breaking the high of the previous candle, that's a kind of a good thing. We have 9 minutes left for this 30-minute candle to close. Once this 30-minute candle is closed, that is the interesting thing to see, because if we close bearish at this point, okay. Because another thing is like we cannot take any trade in these zones. Trust me, the only reason I'm saying it because price is in a bullish trend, and if I take a sell here, this could be a small retracement and price can go up. Okay, so what I'm looking for as it's in uptrend, is it's in uptrend. What we are looking for is if these retracements are good. So like this one, you can see price is forming support, reject and go up, reject and go up. So we are looking for the same thing here. If price is coming at this areas, close around this area, and we are looking for like a rejection, then continue going up. So if we form something like this, as it we have done in past, then I'm looking for an uptrend till at least here, and after that, I think we can see at least 2370. At least we can do that much to the upside. So let's say if we get a potential entry around these areas, okay, let's say around these areas, then we can still get around, if we target 70, that's like $600. So for a day, 0.60%, that's a pretty good in order to target around like 7.5% or something. So we just need to target some percentage. That's it. Stay consistent. I didn't know if I can use magic keys here or not, but I think I'll find a way to connect magic keys and Seated. I think we can, because I have magic keys and I would like to use it. In 5 minutes, we're gonna close 30-minute candle and 15 minute, and I think 1 hour candle. So if next 1 hour candle do break the lows here, then we see a little bit of a continuation till here. Then we see a rejection. Oh my God, that would be amazing. So what we are looking for, I don't know if I can draw candle somewhere. So let's say if we see a small candle like this going till here, and then it come back up, and here close bullish like this, then we see next candle continue going up. This is what we can see, something like this one. Hmm, 30 minute is like rejecting now, closing bullish. Nice one. So looking at the events, like we have a lot of data coming in today, I guess. Moving into the section. Sorry guys, if I'm not looking at the chat, yeah, but there is none. There's no one with us today. So, okay, what do we have? Flash manufacturing PMI. Previous was 51.3. They are looking for forecast 51.0. That's 0.3% difference. And if it the numbers goes more up, actually is greater than the forecast. But for currency, level of uh, diffusion index based on the survey purchasing, managing, and manufacturing industries. So if we get last April, we had below 49, so that indicates industry is expand. So the industry was not expansion. That was right. So I think at 7:15, I'll be taking a look at the gold. Surely, if I do not take any trade right now, yeah, surely I'll be taking a look at the 7:15 p.m. at my time zone. I don't know about your time zone, so check based on what you are on. Right, so, so looking at the 55% minute law, what do we have here? We have like 65% of the client are looking for sells and 35 looking for buys. And if you take a look at the daily FX news section here, we have I think long and short 6%, 2% weekly, and 13%. Full price negative divergence hit a lower price NFA market recent bottom. It's interesting. No, brother, no trade trades have been taken yet. Uh, yeah, we are just looking at the some news and something like that to see what gold can do today. Because today is Friday, so and we have news at 7:15 p.m. at my time, but uh, in New York session, yeah. So I'm still waiting at this point. New 1 hour candle just open up. So let's see. So what I'm looking for, if price to flip up from here, taking a buys at this moment is still not, that good. Get there is no confirmation. Look at this. Three candles bearish. No, if we get one bullish better candle, then I can consider taking buys and it could continue going up. How are you doing? Do you use trend lines? So in the start, when I started trading, I was using trend lines, but after that, I did stop using trend line because it didn't make sense to me. Okay. So, for an example, there's a girl named Tori Trades or something like that. She used trend line, but she's really profitable with that strategy. So, it depends on your strategy, what is making sense for you and what is profitable for you. For me, support and resistance does make sense. Okay. Because look at this. If it doesn't make sense, look at this. We had a rejection point here, price rejected here, price rejected here, price did break through above. Now we are coming back down. So this does count as a fake out. But if you take a look here, okay, just take a look here. Price from came down till here, and after that it started going up. That's like the 0.54% move to the upside. Okay. After that, we can at least have a small pullback. So keep in mind whenever you are taking a trade, like if the price do break above this area, then I'll take the buys. Keep in mind, if it's coming back from a really downside, continue going up, remember it will take a small pullback. So what we can see here is a small really retracement. Okay. So if we like to take sells, people who are taking sells, they might be right. Okay. They might made some, profit like 100, 200 or so. Okay, because I do not think so price could, easily just move down till here. But even if it's do, we have New York session. Okay. In New York session, we will have better confirmation before taking trades. So I'm gonna wait for that. I'm not gonna take any blind trades today because in the past 2 days I have seen my trades and I have journaled it. So according to me, my what you call losses were like because of the daily time frame and weekly time frame. So if you remember in weekly time frame, I did told you that price could flip up and break the highs. That is our target. Price did that, but the only problem was when we taken a trade on 30-minute time frame, our entry point was not right. So I need if I can get a proper entry point somehow and see can I do with it, then I'll be really profitable with the trades that I took. And I remember that you asked a question last time, like how to draw proper support and resistance, right? So I don't know if I answered it or not, but if let's say if let's just come back down somewhere, okay, around this area, okay, we do not know anything here. So when we are approaching a price, for example, at this area, if I don't know what price will print next, okay, I do not know what will happen. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this area, draw this as a resistance. Why this is a resistance? Because price have rejected twice this time. I'm not going to go to the left side to check more what's happening here. Okay, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to find the recent rejection to the price level. Okay, so this was the recent rejection that I seen. Okay, then if I'm looking for what we call support, then this is the for me this is the support. Okay, This is the recent rejection, twice rejection before, you know, price can go anywhere. In between that, you do not need to draw any support and resistance. The only reason, if you draw in between those, it will be a really messed up thing. Take a look at this. This is like only 0.50% what we call move. So I don't know why it's not showing pips or something, because I'd like to see the price movement here, not the profit. Maybe it's because showing the pips. That's it showing. Yeah. So that's like 1,000 pips movement. So you can say 100 pip movement, but we cannot take any trade at the moment because price is too messed up here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for price to break above these levels. If we get, you can see this was not the break here when the price went up. This was not the break. It was a rejection point. We cannot take a trade on that. So if we wait for candle to close here, then it would be a good entry. So price did close here, price went down, break the highs, take a buy, put the stop loss below, and okay, we did a really messed up thing here. Sorry, I forgot to mention another step. Yeah, so we are approaching another level of resistance. Why am I drawing this as a resistance? Keep in mind, price went up, came down, broke the lows, and coming back up. So this is the what we call lower high. Okay, this is the recent lower high that was made at the time price was moving bearish. Okay, on the left, I won't go more left hand side to check what is the coming up. So you see, this was the resistance point. So what happened? What I told you is the same thing here right now. What we are experiencing is the same thing. How much price moved from here, from this low till here? It have moved around 0.70%. So what we can expect is a small retracement. What it did after that is the resistance, touch the resistance. So we are expecting the same thing on the current time frame, that price can do that at least. Oh, okay. So we are seeing a rejection here. Price have came down. So if we get any closure above these areas, we might take a buys. It might. So what did I tell you? That we might see till 0.24. Okay. So that's around here. Yeah. So we have done our retracement at this point. What is the next thing is we need to see some bullish candle closure before taking any buys. So we're gonna wait. You're welcome. And and if we get like movement like this one, is take a look how much. That's 1.30%. That can only happen if there is some kind of a news or a fundamental behind it. Okay, price won't move like 2 to 3% because of the technical analysis or something like that. If price is moving, it might move in a really long term way. So because of the technical, you can see price can move up here, did a retracement of 0.28%. At the same time, it went up around like 0.48%. So you can say it did a retracement of the like 50% or so. After that, what it did, made another high that was like 0.57%. It covered the whole move down till here. Why? So this could be a fundamental or it just a fake out or technical or doing a retest. If I go to a bigger time frame, I could analyze what was this. Okay. So again, what did price do? It made a high, move around 0.62%. At the same with the same another candle went down 0.35%. Then had a really big moment. So here price were like people were trapped in this zone. So people were trapped in this zone because when people take trades, let's say if price is breaking below this lows, I'm gonna take sells, I think price can continue going up, going down till here. So what price do? Break the lows, come back down, close bullish, and yeah. So this could be a fake order thing. Oh, look at that. Price is still continue going down. We have 2 minutes left for this 15-minute candle to close. If this candle close bearish right there, then that's a confirmation that price could, stay continue going down. But another thing, keep in mind that, we have moved with a really bullish pressure. So for bearish pressure, you just take a look at the candles, okay? Look at this candle and compare with this big candle. So for to cover one candle with this, they needed a three candle movement. Okay. So we had another big candle like this one. So I think even if we cover a little bit till here, take a support zone of this one before going up. So that's fine totally. And another thing is like we are not taking trades right now because we know there is a news at New York session. So that's why I'm not gonna take any trade at the moment or rush the trade right now. I'm gonna wait and see. Okay, just wait and see for now. As long as we do not see our setup, I'm not going to take a trade because what we are looking for is buys, and right now price is moving at the sell side. So if price is moving at the sell side, do I need to change my trade idea? No, I'm gonna trust my process. I'm gonna wait for price to give another chance or retrace. So yeah, I'm currently short on GBP USD. Yeah, I did saw that prices like if you go to a bigger time frame like daily time frame, short is a really good opportunity, but you need a really bigger stop loss on this one. So right now price is at a weak level. So I I think if I am about to take an entry, I would go like 4 hour time frame and see. So if you break below these areas, then stop loss should be like 51 pips. And in order to target what? We have a really good down momentum till here. So I think this could be a really good trade idea for price to continue going till here. You know, yep, this could be a pretty good trade idea. So if you are in the short, yeah, that's a nice trade. I think that's a nice trade. Or if you are looking to manage a stop loss, this 21 pips could be a good stop loss too above this area. But if you want a better stop loss, I think below above this area is a better stop loss. The only reason I'm saying it because there one rejection, two rejection. If price did the twice rejection and break above, I don't think the price could continue go down now. So the only reason I'm not taking trade right now is because yet I do not have much confirmation. Yeah, on 4 hour, yes, I do have confirmation, but at the same time, if I go here, look at this, it's at the support level. You can say it have not broken below yet. It's at the support level. So if I need to take a trade, I'm gonna wait for this 4 hour candle to close below these areas before taking any trade. And GJ, don't even ask, like, this is like messed up thing. So your entry was at the short term high. This one, really good entry. Yeah. Do you trade like a SMC or ICD concepts? Oh, I think 15-minute candle did closed. Bearish. Amazing. So now, even if I do consider taking a sell here till here, it could be a good entry point. Because okay, yeah, so if I do consider taking a sell here, if price break below this lows, I can consider taking sell. The only reason I'm saying it, because I waited for price to see a consolidation, sorry, retracement, right? So we had a chance here that price could go up, but what we seen is another bearish candle. So even if I took take a look at the 1 hour time frame and 30-minute time frame, yeah, I think we might still reject. Okay, how much is it? Yeah, we might reject, even if it tries to break below, price can continue going up, down till here and reject and go up. So no trading zone here, no trade zone for me. Well, I think the last whatever the news was really good news for the gold and bad for USD. So I'm expecting if price is like this, then we might, take a look weekly or monthly time frame. Okay, simple. What do you see? That weekly candle have moved really nicely up, bullish, you can say. And at the next new daily candle, so what we are expecting is this candle have broken the highs. It might continue going up till at the top side, So if it covers this much from here to here, that's exactly 1500 pips. So if you see the ranges of the past 5 daily candles. So this was because of the news. Price moved twice of it, 3600 pips. But if I see the previous candle, that's 1000 or something. If I see this candle, that's like 2200 or something. If I see this candle, 2300. So yeah, all are like 2500 and between 3000. Yeah, what you're saying, brother? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Wait for the hardcore confirmation. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a hardcore confirmation. The only reason I'm saying it, because this is the first trade, and if we can take a really good trade, then we can secure some profit before taking, risking a trade next time. But it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal if we take a loss. So because we're gonna manage risk. So Okay. See, let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame. See what I told you guys that yeah, it's respecting the lows. So even if this candle close bullish, that would be in 7 minutes. So we can expect that next candle could continue going up. So let's wait. Now this candle is rejecting and counts as a rejection. We have not even, so I think we are taking at the previous zones. Okay, so 30-minute time frame, 4 minutes left for this candle to close, and this now this count as a rejection if it closed bullish. So let's see in next 4 minutes how this candle is closing, and if this current 4 hour candle, sorry, 1 hour candle do flip bullish. So you see, like price did close back in the range, not broken the highs. Interesting. If this current candle do flip bullish from here, then I might expect some really good amount of volume till at least here. Okay. People like the stream, guys. If you've been watching for some time, and let's give it a like. It just helps us to like, get more audience with us to trade and it will be interesting. Okay, we have 15-minute, 30-minute closure right now, which is bearish below so we got two candle that close bearish. Okay, even on 1 hour time frame, this is like, I think 15-minute did close bearish, but that's a bullish candle. So at this note, I'm not sure if I should take the trade or not. So I'm just gonna wait because we still have quite amount of time. If I'm not live in New York session, then I'm gonna post trade ideas in my Discord group. Okay. How much are you going to risk today? So we have a funded account right now. So it's a phase one. So I'm gonna risk only around like, I'm gonna start with $1. I mean, sort of one lot size. I'm gonna risk like, depend on the trade, but $500 to $600, I guess, on a trade. So for an example, if we break this lows over here, then this could be a good trade till $250, but our stop loss will be like 100 or $200. Even if I put above this area, that's $300. So, but I'm not interested in sales right now. So I'm gonna wait and see. Just yesterday, just yesterday. So when we were trading, I was like, we have passed funded account once, so why don't we give a try? So at the moment, we still have $300 left in our live broker. So what we're gonna do is, what's the plan is like, with this funded account, we're gonna risk less, but our target is to stay consistent and make profit, even if it's a phase one and phase two. It doesn't matter. But with the live trading account, I'm gonna target like around $490 of profit to purchase the next funded account. So that's what we're gonna do. If we can bring this number to 490, then we're gonna purchase another 100K funded account. And my target is to get funded within 2 to 3 months. Okay. So if we get funded in 2 to 3 months, then our first withdrawal will be, even if we get what we call refund of our purchase, that's good. We can purchase another funded account with that. So let's see if we can get this $306 to what we call $490, and this 100K funded account to phase two or final funded account in within the next 2 to 3 months. So let's hope we can do that. Like I was talking with the Kashif and what company? It's a funding frontier. Let me show you. It's a pretty good company. Like I got funded with them before too. So This is the company. This is the dashboard we have. You can see our account balance and account number. If I go to metrics, this is the account we have. No losses, nothing, no trade have taken yet. Okay. Phase one, starting period, 20 date and all. So that's and like so my main target with the current capital was to prove myself that I can make consistent profit. So I got an idea that we have a $700 in the account, and why don't we purchase a 100K funded account at the same time we trade with our life capital while risking some profit. So with the $300, I'm planning to risk a little bit, but at the same time, if we can make some good profit, that's good, right? And with this funded account, I'm gonna take the best setup that I can get. Okay, that's the trade idea. To in order to get the best setup, what I need is there should be three types of alignment that I'm looking for: is daily time frame confirmation, like a high time frame confirmation, like weekly, daily, or 4 hour time frame. Okay, so in this case, we have 4 hour and daily time frame confirmation. So this new 4 hour candle have not broken the highs or lows of the previous candle. And for this 30-minute and 15-minute time frame, what I'm looking for is an entry point is something that we reject these zones and break these highs, and we can take our entry point at that time and continue till the highs. So that's the main trading plan. And another thing, if there is a in the whole day, if there is a news in London or New York session, try to take trades in between those time frames. So we get more volume at the time, and we can continue with the trade. I'm still learning about fundamentals. So let's see what we can do with that. With the technicals, my only ideas that what I follow is like candlestick and support resistance. That's the only thing. So not much, because I have tried Fibonacci, I have tried other indicators, MSCD, what we call. There are multiple indicators. I have tried paid indicators. I have tried EAs before. So I think I'm gonna stick with the manual at the moment and see if we can get results with that. I've been learning for quite some time. I have done a course with Raja Bank, so I done his course, and I think it's pretty good. You guys are looking to get funded, let me know. I can help you to get some discount as well. Okay, we have 15-minute candle is rejecting this lows, flipping bullish. So respecting these lows here, wisely rejected. So if we get any break above this area on 5-minute time frame, we might see the continuation till the upside. But yet on 30-minute or 1 hour time frame, we do not have any much good confirmation. We have 17 minutes left for the current 30-minute candle to do something, and this 1 hour candle to close. Okay, how much time we have for? We have 2 hours left, so like 4:30 we'll enter in New York session. Okay, I think 15-minute candle will be closing now. And three, two, one, and done. So we get a closure like this one. That's a rejection, but at the same time, that's a that's a sign that price could continue till down, more down. So still no trade. We're gonna wait because we're gonna enter the New York session after 45 minutes. So what I would like to see is volume at that time. I'm expecting that will be volume at that time. So before, what we have done in past session, the mistake was that we have taken in this trades, like in London session, a trade like this one's, and we miss the entry sometimes, or we take a late entry. So we just like, okay, this is little bit late. Let's just take the entry. That's what I have done. And I think that was the wrong decisions. Let's say. What I'm expecting is like this candle could move up and close here. So 30-minute candle will be look like a bullish closure. So if we get a bullish closure, the next candle could most likely could break these areas and continue going up. Could be the entry point, potential entry point, most likely. Most likely. I think gold, yeah, since the gold went up, people are facing things, value loss in dollars, and we are getting like gold price could potentially could go up, but like, does it have the capacity to make the new highs? Interesting. Because if we look at the last highs when it created, we had a, you know, consolidation, a rally again, consolidation, rally to the downside. Interesting. I think we might could make a new high here to 500 up. I think we might see price to go above these areas, continue till 500. That's a huge move. And that could be because of the next month NFP. At that time, price could, shoot up and shoot down again. That could be a huge opportunity. So we have 6 minutes left for this 30-minute candle to close. I think, like sitting here and just watching the chart that's not pressing any buy or sell is is like you need to learn it. Because trust me, whenever I come to the chart and see price actions, I was like, okay, this is the moment. If I miss it, I'm gone. Like, let me take this trade. And yeah, that happened. And I immediately take the trades. Boom. 3 minutes. People, 3 minutes left for 30-minute candle closure. Oh boy. If you guys don't know why I'm doing the funded account right now, is because why I switched from my broker capital to that is because I have passed once my funded account. If you have not checked the video, then do check it out on my YouTube channel. It's right here. You see, phase one done, phase two done, and we are on the funded account. So check that out. Why did I close that here? Just close it. Okay, I think now I need to go. So I'll keep you guys updated on the next live stream that whatever we have trades we have taken. And if you want to stay updated with the current time frame, then join my Discord group. You'll find the link in the description or somewhere in the other videos. So that's it, I guess. Today we have done live stream for like an hour and 45 minutes. Oh, we see the volume now. Look at this. In the last 30 seconds of the 30-minute closure, and I think 1 hour candle is closing, we see that candle is now rejecting and flipping bullish. So amazing. So even if I do take any trade, I'll update you in the Discord group. Okay. Well, thank you for being part of this trading journey. Thank you for joining my live stream. I'll see you in the next live stream. Till then, take care. Do not overtrade. It's Friday, guys. Take a rest, and we see you on the Monday. Thank you.